Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here and joining the Strong Summer 12-week workout program. I will keep this program overview brief and to the point, just like our workouts. The program will start on Monday, March 28th, and the workouts will be released at 1 a.m. Eastern Time each day according to the schedule. We will have scheduled workouts on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Of course, if you need to modify the schedule to fit your life, please feel free to do so. You can make the program your own. On Mondays, we'll do a full body workout, which is why there's a rest day on Sunday, and on Tuesday following the full body workout. The program is open to all fitness levels. I truly do not believe in splitting up fitness into different categories. I don't like to overcomplicate my workouts. I focus on simple and effective proven moves to get you the best results possible for your whole body. You won't see a lot of ab work in my program. I train abs once per week, which is all you need to achieve results. Remember, our abs will be engaged throughout each workout and throughout each exercise. Of course, our diet plays a critical role in achieving those results. Please check my About Me video for my thoughts on food and nutrition. All right, let's get back to the Strong Summer program. It is so important to allow your muscles to rest before training them again. You will notice some full body workouts after some lower body workouts and some upper body workouts, but please don't be alarmed. Those are full body workouts with some cardio focus, and they're always designed to allow you to have sufficient rest between the different training days. So if, like in the first week of Strong Summer, we have a lower body workout on a Friday, the Saturday full body is a HIIT body weight session without a heavy load on the legs, but with some emphasis on body weight upper body exercises like push-ups and plank variations. I got a lot of requests for some cardio in the original Strong program, so I wanted to add just a little bit of cardio in this program as well. The format of these body weight workouts will be similar to some of the body weight workouts we have done over the last few weeks if you've joined me, with emphasis on strengthening exercises like push-ups and planks as well. There may be some jumping here and there in these workouts, but you can always walk it out instead. Each week of Strong Summer will include a mix of different training styles. We'll incorporate Tabata, no repeat, AMRAP, HIIT, supersets, trisets, EMOM, body weight, boot camp, sliding, and so many others. Most workouts will be between about 40 to 45 minutes, and the body weight and cardio sessions will usually be closer to about 30 minutes. The longer workouts are designed in such a way that if you have to leave after about 30 minutes, you can do that and still get a full workout. So if you don't have time for the full workout, don't worry, although of course I do recommend that you join for the full duration of the workout. Each workout is designed to be part of the entire Strong Summer program, and each workout takes into account the trainings of the days preceding and following that workout. So some upper body days might have more shoulder focus and some might be heavier on the triceps. I also keep in mind that the body weight sessions will often be tougher on the triceps and chest and lighter on the back muscles. It is quite tough, for example, to load that upper back without using weights. I spend a lot of time individually designing each and every workout with your results and your success in mind. While some of the splits may be familiar to you, some might surprise you as well. The purpose of the program is to build strength and take care of our bodies and our minds. The workouts will be tough, but you are so much tougher. With that in mind, it is important to remember that your mindset is the most important to getting you the results that you're looking for. I encourage you to take a few minutes to write down your realistic goals for the next 12 weeks. Feel free to share them with me or keep them to yourself, but it is very important to write them down and revisit them at least once per week. Please keep those goals realistic and attainable. Take a note of where you are today. Write down how you eat and how you train today. I also encourage you to take several photos of yourself today This is a great way to track your progress. You don't need to weigh yourself every day, or at all if you don't want to, but the progress photos and progress check-ins will really help you stay on track. Focus on how you feel and how you feel when you look at yourself in the mirror, and remember to be kind and encouraging to yourself. I will leave some tips down below on taking those photos that will help you track your progress. I also encourage you to take progress photos every 4 weeks or so to keep a better eye on your progress. Feel free to share those with me or keep those to yourself as well. Most importantly, take that photo today. You don't have to use it for anything and you can always delete it later. But I got so many messages after the original Strong program saying that you wish you had taken those photos. When you take those photos or otherwise track your progress, please only compare yourself to you from the past, not to some idealized version of yourself in the future. Celebrate your wins and achievements. They can seem small to you, but they're meaningful. It can be anything from finally doing a floor push-up to getting higher on those pesky V-ups to squatting with a heavier weight. A win is completing or improving on any task that is challenging to you today. That progress matters. Stay with your own progress and journey and resist the temptation to compare it to others. Give yourself credit for the progress you have made. It is so valuable. If you want to take your progress to the next level, I also encourage you to write down your 3 big wins for every single day. They don't have to be fitness related. This can truly put you in a more positive mindset for every single day, which will help you both with a Strong Summer program and beyond. It will give you more confidence and allow you to tackle everything you have going on in your life. Remind yourself that you're here and working on your body, your only place to live, because you love yourself and want to take care of yourself and improve your health. I know a few of you have accountability friends and groups, and nothing makes me happier than seeing you work out together and encouraging each other. If you're looking to join an accountability group, please leave a comment down below. I have also just created a private Facebook community per your request where we can all support each other. If you already follow my Vera LaRo Facebook page, you should have received an invite to join at this point. I'm also leaving a link here down in the caption below. Of course, please keep all the comments in the group and here respectful, and don't use the group for self-promotion. Don't advocate for any extreme diets. Just use common sense and be supportive of others. Remember, some days you won't have the motivation to work out, but keep yourself accountable and push through. But also be kind to yourself and your body and listen to it. If you need to take a break, take a break. But try to do something active, even if it's just doing a warm-up for 5 minutes or do a workout with super light weights. You'll never regret doing a workout, even if it's just for a couple of minutes. As with the original Strong program, I will release further details about each upcoming week on our community YouTube page, as well as my Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest pages for those of you that follow me on there. I'm generally about a week ahead with filming of the workouts, but I'm always on the lookout for your feedback and suggestions, all of which I have incorporated into designing the Strong Summer program. I try to make this program and this channel the best that I possibly can for you. Equipment. Here is a list of the equipment that I recommend for the Strong Summer program. I'm also leaving a link down below that you can use to purchase the equipment. Always appreciate you using my link. First and foremost, you're going to need your positive mindset and belief in yourself. You also need a pair of lighter dumbbells for those arm and shoulder exercises. I recommend anything between about 5 to 15 pounds, but it can differ for everyone. You'll also need a heavier dumbbell for those back and leg exercises, and this can be anywhere between about 15 to 40 plus pounds depending on where you are. You'll also need a heavy duty booty band to level up those lower body exercises. I recommend a fabric booty band like mine. Again, it's linked below. You'll also need a sturdy chair or a workout bench, a book or yoga block or step deck for the deficit leg work, yoga mat, and also a towel if you're on a hard surface, or something like paper plates or sliders if you're on a carpeted surface. That, of course, is for the sliding exercises. Also providing some optional equipment. You can use a kettlebell. You can also substitute any kettlebell exercises with a dumbbell, but you might find the grip to be a little bit easier when using a kettlebell for certain exercises like swings. You might also want another dumbbell in between something light and heavy. As you're getting stronger, you'll appreciate having that option as well. I also recommend having some of those long resistance bands to level up some of our lower body and upper body exercises and for some stretches. I am so excited to start the Strong Summer program together on March 28th. You can do this, and I know that you are ready. There will also be a new warm-up coming in the next few days. I do recommend a warm-up before each of our workouts together. Cool downs will continue to be provided at the end of each workout. Please do take a few seconds to watch the ads that come on during the workouts, as that is how I'm able to bring you these workouts for free. I always try to put the ads during natural break periods or where I myself took breaks during our workouts. Of course, you can also purchase YouTube Premium to skip all the ads altogether. Remember to take that progress photo today and every few weeks to celebrate your achievements and track your progress. And please leave any additional questions for me in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Let's do this together.